in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That one's on.
By 18 p.m. Central Daylight
Isn't
Time.
on display.
Doppler radar